guys, it's Dr. Nico. So in the previous video, we talked about hamstring flexibility and hamstring pain in regards for the basketball athlete. We talked about how to stretch it, how to mobilize it using a foam roller. Today, we're actually going to learn how to use different muscle groups so the hamstrings can kind of calm down and making sure that you're using your glutes a little bit more. So today, we're going to show Colin here some exercises to get your glutes activated and get your glutes stronger so that you can move on the court a little bit better and a lot safer. So we have a resistance band here. What he's going to do is put it around his knees. He's going to put it through. So we're going to work on just activation as of now, so not too strenuous. But so let's have his feet shoulder width apart. We're going to start with just a two-legged squat. Okay. Good. And so the key with this is the band wants to bring his knees in. So we actually want him to push the knees out just so we can bias the external rotation and using the glutes as much as he can. So let's do it from the side view. Good. So the key is to feel the burn, the muscle activation, all in this area in the glutes. So if at any time when you're having a lot of hamstring pain or hyperactivity, you can feel these these hamstrings turning on way too much. So the goal is to learn how to isolate the glutes and try and get rid of this hyperactivity in the hamstrings. So go ahead and stand up. So go ahead one more time. So say, for example, if he's feeling too much in the hamstrings, maybe he's too bent over. You might feel too much of a pull in the hamstrings, and then hamstrings probably want to tug back down. So we want to find a nice medium spot until he feels it all in the glutes. Do you feel in the glutes, Colin? Nice. Good. So usually what we do with activation or isometric hold is go for a minute. This allows the brain to automatically get the glutes to turn on and activate. So good, that's the two-legged squat. So now we're going to progress to more the one-legged squat. So let's have you face that way again. Actually, let's face the camera. See that? So we're going to do the left foot. All he's going to do is keep the band around there. He's going to go in like a mini squat on that left side. He's going to stand on one leg, and he's actually going to rotate this right hip out. Okay. Good. So this is a good way to not just feel it on one-legged balance, but he'll feel it on the left glute and the right glute. Relax. Same thing with the two-legged squat. You can go for a minute. A lot of times when people have hamstring pain, when they get in this position, they tend to either curl their foot, which activates the hamstrings, or they kind of push out with their hamstrings way too much. So you actually want to push out with the glutes as much as you can. Let's do it one more time. Good. Nice stable position. Trying to make sure your pelvis is level. So again, you should feel it all in this glute area. These are the main stabilizers for the hip. And if you can learn how to activate and strengthen these muscles a lot more, the hamstring activity should lessen. And that stiffness should be happening less, and maybe the pain should be happening less.